Alright, welcome back. Here's our final little quick run through, and this is Google Sheets. Okay, go back a step because I already had one in there. When you start, you're going to hit the plus sign and hit a new spreadsheet. There are templates again, but I'm going to go ahead. I've already created one, sample one, and this just looks like boring. Okay, and you can add a lot of things, and again, just like everything else, there's more features on the computer than there is the iPad, but you do plenty on the iPad. Okay, again, you'll probably show us more things than we could ever think of. But a good thing to start off with here, uh, you can keep records on Google Sheets. And you'll see a lot of teachers, we use those to keep lists, we keep grades on these. Okay, and speaking of grades, this would be a good place for you to create a place to keep your own grades. And I know you have to admit to Canvas, okay, but sometimes your teachers, I'm not going to say I've ever done this, maybe they've put in a wrong grade. Okay, we're human. It happens. I admit it. It happens. So keep an eye on them. But if you're keeping track of your grades, you can be like, whoa, I didn't get a 10 out of that on that. I got, an 80. It's a big difference. But anyway, so you can keep track of things yourself so then you can, double check Infinite Campus, make sure your grades are right. So I'm going to show you how to get set up. Everything's in cells. So your columns are in letters, A, B, C, D, and your rows are by numbers. So I'm going to start off here, and I'm just going to put, let's put grade here. I'm going to make my rows my assignments. Move that up, sorry. Here's what I can do. Trick. I can cut. Up here I'm going to paste it so it moves it up. Okay. So let's say that here's my first thing, and I've got quiz. I get a. Well, it changes a little bit because a lot of times you get. Let's go points earned, points possible. Makes it a little bit more. Mute my spelling. So here's quiz. I'm going to call it quiz number 1. And let's say I got a 10. Come on. Double tab feature. 10, and there was actually 10 points possible. Good so far. Alright, and I've got quiz number 2. Harder, 15 points. There were 20 possible. Now, let's talk about some of the features that we have. Now that I got some data in here, we have bold italics, underline, strike through, and font color, just like in Docs. We have left, center, right, just like in Docs. We have make all the text go to the bottom, make it be in the center of the cell or at the top of the cell. We also have a feature here where it lets you continue to type when you hit run out of room, and it just makes the box bigger. We can change the cell color. So maybe I want it to be different since these are my titles. Light gray. Since these are my assignments. So get a little more decorative there. Okay. You can put marks, borders around a selection. So if I drag my box here around and then select that. I can say I want borders around that. You'll see them pop up. I can make it dashy, make it bigger. I can change the color. I don't know why it would do that. Just do black. Okay. Then you have, you can add some cells. You move down, you can add something up above top. You can add a column and kind of repeat things over. Go back to the left. Okay. So that's your toolbar that's accessible. You've got undo and redo. If I hit undo, I don't want those two things on there. And if I decide I wanted them back, I can hit redo. You have the text features just like you do in Google Docs. You can actually change your text rotation. Sometimes if you only have numbers, so for example, like right here, I'm going to click, and I'm going to change my text rotation. I'm going to make it, hey, go back. Up, and I can change size here, make things feel a little bit easier. Do that with points possible too. Go back and change my size. Come on. A little trick here on the iPad. Fat fingers. Okay. So that's the only different feature from Google Docs. You can change your text. Okay. Strike through, bold, just like anything else. Within your cell, you can merge two cells together. You can change how you want your numbers to be. So especially if you get averages, you don't want a bunch of repeating decimal numbers. You can change it. Okay, I just only want it to go to 2. Number format, keep it automatic, or you can change it to a percent. You can change it to scientific. Doing accounting, I mean, you've got, this gets really detailed. Right now, just keep it for automatic, would be easiest. You can, here's the insert options here, which you have 4 of those. You have column left, right, row above, row below. But here's the neat thing, you'll have a chart. Okay. Now, let's say that you want to keep a track of your grades. You can have a line, area, column, bar graph, pie chart, scatter, or a trend. And I'm just going to pick a line graph right now. And you can have a legend for it. Now here's the thing, it's telling me I don't have any data right now because I haven't selected anything. There's nothing in this box that I have. But if I selected everything, then go to the chart, bam! Points earned, points possible. Now it's really snazzy. Okay, I have a legend, it tells me what I have. You can change it, so if you want it to be a line graph, it could be. It picked up and said it should probably be a bar graph, and I kind of agree. That looks a little bit better than the line chart, especially since it's beginning of the year. Okay. It also said pie chart. I'm not really a big fan of that one. There's not much information there. But I would say the line or the bar graph. Easy. You can give it titles. Right now, it already has points earned. I'm going to change that a little bit more scientific. You can give a title. My horizontal axis is my assignments. Okay, left arm. Okay, this would be the points. It's added there. You always want titles. Good to go. Hit X. Oh, I should have hit check. Sorry. We'll just do it. It should already be there for us. Now hit the check on the X, and I'll have a chart that's right in the middle of all of my information. Now, you can select it and move it. Really nifty. Okay? Use that in all classes. Maybe you're in social studies and you're showing a change of something over time. Really easy to plug something in. Maybe the population change, diversity, science. Easy peasy. You know, we collect a lot of data, numerical data, math. Do statistics and look at charts toward the end of the year, your 7th grade year. This would be a quick, easy way. Now, you can do this on the iPad, and again, there's more features on the PC, but this is a good starting point, right? So there's Google Sheets. I've covered everything except for the 3 dots, which are pretty much the same thing. I don't know what this Explorer is. It says new. You guys tell me what it's about. Right? You can create filters where you can sort through things and only see certain things. And you have your share and export, and you need to link it to your group. That is Google Sheets.